Hey there, eco-warriors. Imagine a world where clean water is accessible for everyone, no matter where they live. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me introduce you to something that's turning this dream into reality. Metal Organic Frameworks, or MOFs for short. MOFs are these incredible, crystal-like structures designed at a molecular level. Think of them as tiny, super-efficient sponges that can soak up specific pollutants from water. Whether it's heavy metals, organic pollutants, or even microplastics, MOFs can trap them all. Here's the science bit. MOFs have a huge surface area in proportion to their size. This means they can capture and hold large amounts of contaminants. And because they can be tailored to target specific pollutants, they're incredibly versatile. But how do MOFs actually revolutionize water purification? Imagine a portable water filter that can turn polluted water into drinkable water almost instantly, or large-scale water treatment plants using MOFs to clean millions of gallons of water efficiently. The implications are mind-blowing, and it's not just about drinking water. MOFs can also be used in agriculture, industrial processes, and even in disaster relief, providing clean water when it's most needed. So why is this so important? Clean water is a basic human right, and MOFs are bringing us closer to making that a global reality. It's a game changer in the fight against pollution and water scarcity. If you're passionate about the environment, MOFs are something you should definitely keep an eye on. They're not just a scientific marvel, they're a beacon of hope for a cleaner, healthier planet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly innovations. Until next time.